next topic था, that was to derive the relation between relaxation time and drift velocity. That is relation between relaxation time that is tau and drift velocity. So we have to derive this relation, that is for the relaxation time and for the drift velocity. That drift velocity is what? Vd. So we have just taken example of this conductor in which when the potential difference was applied, then electrons were drifted. They move in this direction. Its length will be L, and here the potential V is applied. So when potential V is applied over there, then the electric field E is introduced. That is, electric field is potential per unit length. That is the electric field that will be developed inside the conductor on applying the potential difference V. हुआ क्या? Due to this electric field, force will also act over the electron, and that force over the electron, force on the electron F, that is equals to EE minus EE. Negative sign shows the charge on electron is negative, and basically here we have used that relation that F is equals to QE, that is a relation, but this force F is equals to mass into acceleration. So here acceleration A is equals to minus EE upon m. That is the acceleration of the electron when it drifts. अब बेसिकली बात ये करता हूँ, जो एक्सेलरेशन A होगा, वैसे देखा जाए it will be different for the different electrons, but here acceleration A is taken same on all the electrons, because जो इलेक्ट्रॉन इस कंडक्टर के एंड के पास में है, it will be exerted upon by more force, जैसा होना चाहिए, but actually यहाँ ऐसा होता नहीं है. We have taken the acceleration of all the electrons will be A, and the force that is acting over the electrons taken to be F. So force and acceleration are taken to be same on all the electrons. That was the acceleration. If I suppose condition of first one electron, let it moves with velocity u1, accelerates A, and then collide with another electron after time t1, it acquires final velocity v1. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने बात की थी in case of relaxation time that we have talked about कि एक velocity u1 से चलना स्टार्ट किया इलेक्ट्रॉन ने, acceleration A, and it accelerates for time t1, and after time t1 it collides with the electron till it acquires the final velocity to be v1. Then v1 is equals to u1 plus A t1. In the same manner, for the second electron which was moving with velocity u2, accelerates by acceleration A up to time t2, its final velocity becomes v2. So v2 comes to be u2 plus A t2, here it is t1. v3 is equals to u3 plus A t3. Similarly, vn is equals to un plus A tn. So these are the velocities of electron, and we have these following equations with us. Now we will add these equations. We will adding. Then we will get u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus dot 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 plus un, that equals to we get v1 plus v2 plus v3 plus dot 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 plus vn equals to u1 plus at1 plus u2 plus at2 u3 plus at3 plus dot 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 plus un plus atn. Now we'll get v1 plus v2 plus v3 plus dot 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 plus vn is equals to u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus dot 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 plus un plus a t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus tn. Dividing both sides by n, v1 plus vn over n is equals to u1 plus u2 plus un over n plus a t1 plus t2 plus tn over n. And we know that this one is average drift velocity, this is average thermal velocity, and we have taken it to be 0, and this is average relaxation time. So here it is Vd is equals to 0 plus a tau. Now we will put the value of acceleration here, that is minus E upon m. So Vd comes to be minus E tau over m. This is the expression for the drift velocity that we have to write. अब यहाँ पे दो तरह की बातें आती हैं. There are two terms or important expressions that are related to this expression, that is Vd is equals to minus E tau upon m. That is effect of temperature. तो जरा सी बात करते हैं effect of temperature की. बात करते हैं effect of temperature. पहले बात करते हैं effect of temperature on relaxation time. On relaxation time बात करते हैं इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर की, और यहाँ पे पहला है ऑन द रिलैक्सेशन टाइम, दैट इज वी हैव टू स्टडी द इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर ऑन रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. देखिएगा जो रिलैक्सेशन टाइम की बात है, रिलैक्सेशन टाइम बेसिकली होता क्या है, इट इज द टाइम बिटवीन द टू सक्सेसिव कोलिजन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स व्हेन electrons starts drifting. When the temperature of that conductor is increased, then what will happen? Electron moves more randomly. That is, the random motion of electrons will increase. And when the random motion of electrons will increase, then due to their random motion, they collides very fast. That is, their rate of collision will increase, and that collisions takes place very fast, due to which the time between the collisions will decrease. Time between the collisions will decrease, and when time will decrease, then the relaxation time will decrease. So what is the effect of temperature on relaxation time? That is, with the temperature, the relaxation time will decrease. Secondly, on drift velocity, कि टेम्परेचर का इफेक्ट क्या होगा ऑन द ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. देखिएगा Vd कितना होगा, माइनस ई टाउ अपॉन m. इट मीन्स दिस ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. इट मीन्स व्हेन द टेम्परेचर इज इंक्रीज्ड, then relaxation time decreases, that is when temperature is increased, relaxation time will decrease, and Vd is proportional to tau. So when temperature is increased, relaxation time decrease, and then Vd will decrease. So with temperature, when temperature of a conductor increases, then the relaxation time decreases, and so the drift velocity also decreases. Now that is the next derivation. That is, we have to prove I equals to NaVdE. In this expression, I is current, N is number of electrons per unit volume. A is area of cross section, of conductor. Vd is drift velocity and small e is the charge on the electron. मैंने ऐसा मान लिया कि ये कंडक्टर मेरे पास है, whose length is L and it is connected across this battery. Drift velocity of electron is Vd and E is the charge on the electron, and here capital A is the area of cross section of the conductor. चलिए बात करते हैं. देखिएगा, आपको बेसिक सी बात पता है कि I equals to what? Q upon T, where Q is a total charge. अगर मैं ऐसा मान लेता हूं कि small n क्या है? Number of electrons per unit volume. Small n is number of electrons per unit volume. Small n is number of electrons per unit volume. It means if capital N is total number of electrons, it is total number of electrons. तो n कितना हो जाएगा? Small n into volume of conductor, and volume of conductor is what? Al. So that capital N comes to be NaL. This is capital N. And if small e is charge on one electron, then total charge Q equals to, that is Ne. फिर small e क्या है? Charge on one electron, then total charge Q equals to Ne, and that N is equals to NaL. So this will be NaLe, that is the total charge on the conductor, or you can say that it is total charge on all the electrons on the conductor. क्योंकि आपको पता है I equals to कितना होता है? Q upon T. We have to put the value of Q here. I comes to be, that is Q over T. It will be NaLe over T. अगर हम इस इलेक्ट्रॉन की बेटा बात करते हैं, इस इलेक्ट्रॉन ने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया? That is distance covered by this electron, that is equals to L. And the time taken by electron is T. So L upon T is what? This is distance, this is time, and distance over time is what? Velocity, Vd. That's why I comes to be Na, and in place of L over E, it is Vd, and that is E. So I equals to NaVdE. I equals to NaVdE. अब अगर मैं देखूं, अगर मैं बात करूं, अगर मैं बात करता हूं इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर ऑन करंट, देखिएगा आपने जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ाया, व्हेन टेम्परेचर इज इंक्रीज्ड, क्या हुआ? रिलैक्सेशन टाइम डिक्रीज, रिलैक्सेशन टाइम डिक्रीजेस, ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी आल्सो डिक्रीजेस. और आपने यहाँ पे देखा I was proportional to Vd. When number of electrons per unit volume remains constant, area of cross section remains constant, and small e is the charge on electron, it always remains constant, then current was proportional to drift velocity. और जब current proportional to drift velocity, it means with decrease in the drift velocity, I also decreases. That is, I will decrease. So that was the complete scenario. That is, when temperature of conductor increases, then relaxation time decreases. Relaxation time decreases, drift velocity decreases. Drift velocity decreases, current was proportional to drift velocity, so I also decreases. So that will happen only in case of conductors, जो मैंने बात कही है. In the first we have determined the relation, that is for the relaxation time and drift velocity, that Vd equals to minus E tau upon m, and in the second expression we have derived the expression for current, that is I equals to NAVDE. These are very important relations, and in the previous years the first one, that is first derivation, was asked in CBSE board exam. So definitely these derivations are very important for the board point of view. आप लोग इनको तैयार करिए, and if you feel any doubt you can just comment me, or also you can WhatsApp on my number that is given below. You can also WhatsApp that on that number, and if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, and share to the more number of people so that more can get the benefit. Okay, thank you.